Yo, yo, yo. Well done, everybody. Welcome back over to the live. Both on alright, hold on, give me a second there. Alright, yeah, sorry about that. We are definitely back now. On YouTube, James6 Gaming, big up yourself. 876 Noob Gamer, big up yourself, said we, see me? But there, with this, what do you call this? What do you call this? With this, this is Blender that we're using, you see me? This is the application that we use to create all the vehicles that we have in our game. You see me? So this is the Voxy. So the Voxy right now, and we need to break it up into parts so that we can get it over to the game. You see me? Alright, so basically what we're going on now, well, let me check this over here, so let's see what's going on over here. So alright, so basically yeah, we know say bad man, respect me general. You see me? So alright, so basically what I go on is we go try see if we can build this in a couple minutes, you see me? We need to get back on our game where we have all of these models ready for the road. You see me? Should we use this one or should we use the other one? Yo, respect Randy for the follow up on TikTok. Big up yourself, my general. Alright, hold on, give me a second, yeah, so I check something out. That is weird. Did he turn this up? Let's give this a crank down. Delete that. Okay. Alright, let me see it now. See what I'm going on now feed. You just you say you can't look at. Big up yourself, Mr. No boy. Big up yourself, my G. Welcome to the live, said we, see me? hold on. Alright, hold on. Let me triple check this. So this now, no. Organize another years back. YG Kid, big up yourself over YouTube, said, you know. Daje, respect for the follow, said we. Welcome to the live. Alright, so we're gonna get straight into this, I know. Alright, so let's delete this. Alright. Go do this. Go merge. I'll go edit. I'll go merge by distance. Oh, you want to learn how to use Blender for American Truck Simulator, RMG. Well, I never used it for American Truck Simulator before, but I think I would like to see him process for use it for American Truck Simulator, isn't it? I don't believe you would like no different. Well, I'm never make another Voxy them because I will leave my money for that, my general. Alright, so check something else. Alright, give me a second, hold on. Alright, yeah, we're there again. Nugget, can you teach me how to do this, bro? Yeah. Big up yourself, fire too cool. What we are doing now is this is why this video is here. The new Marpex done yet? No. We still are working on that, but we want to get more than one. We want to get more than one videos. May I say videos? We want to get more than one model out at the same time, isn't me? So what may I do? May I try to get everything over? May I try to get everything done here, so, and then we throw it over into this Z modeler thing, because the subscription we have to pay for monthly, and when we do one by one, when we do vehicle one by one, it kind of costs a whole heap of money because you have to buy subscription because the vehicle take long for do it, isn't it? So we go basically do now is just do the vehicle at once, and then we throw them over in a Z modeler one time, and then we just model them and put colors and do all of the GTA stuff in a Z modeler. That is the part that takes a while, the Z modeler part, isn't it? This part not all that like rough, but it has its parts, isn't it? Alright, so we're just continue this. Alright, so this is what we want. What we're gonna do right now, we're just just remove all of them. Already merge these, so we just have to untick all of these. We're unticking all of these. Alright, so what these are? These are lights. So we're gonna try to find something bigger. Wheels, that. We don't really want to click. Alright, here we go. Makes sense to just let's unhide everything. Let's do it like this. Zine. This is kind of the hardest way, but we will do it this way. Alright, we're gonna go edit mode now. So I just highlight that, just click the L if you like highlight that. If I finish with the Voxy now, in general, the Voxy not done yet. We are build now. We are do this a new one now. Alright, so we're going to rename this to WinScreen, windscreen. Then we can hide that. And we'll go to the side mirrors and go L, B, boom. Yeah, so rename window underscore left front, yeah, hide, boom. We'll go right also P separation. We'll go window underscore. No, I did left that. Yo, you wanna adjust though? I did left. Alright, so we're find that back. So this side right left. And then the other one I did right. I don't know my left and right to blow side. Alright, so that I did right and then this I left. Boom. Alright. So let me see something here. So alright, well, I'm going to show you basically which one of the boxes them we're actually making. Alright, so let's go here. So no, not new folder. Let's go source. This thing. Not automatic, but it is what it is. That's that one. Boom. Alright, so I'll pull up the Voxy on the. Yeah, you see inside, yeah, this is why we're doing this one, because this one I kind of have the detailed inside. You see me? The inside of this very much detail and thing. Hold on, let me go this mode. I'll try again at interior. Hold on. Yeah, so this is how our interior look like right now. So we have like a steering wheel and all of the buttons, so we go definitely have to go and fix these. You know, like how it looks. So you look weird-ish. Oh, I like something wrong with this. I don't say normal it's supposed to look. Hold on. If I play RP, you know me used to play RP, I don't know if you know Red Lion role play. This is with some more leap American youth. Yeah, me used to play on them role play channel. I mean I really like take it up like very serious, you see me? Seaside, big up yourself, my general. Welcome to the live. Now we are trying to go back inside of the vehicle, go look on this. Yeah, this look weird, fam. Look at my blood, it look weird, but I guess that's so I think it's supposed to that. I think it's supposed to smoother than this, brother. You can see like all of the vertices and thing, brother. Not like that, but it is what it is. Alright, so let's do what we're doing. So, oh, hold on. Alt, merge by distance. I'm gonna go 0. Boom. Left. Boom. Boom. Then I go left. Boom. And that we did see how that right, don't. Window underscore right front. Side. And then this window underscore left front. No, hold on, this alright. Yo dog. Dog, I want to me, brother. Dog, over this left front. And then this alright. Right front. Hold on, what? No bro, this alright. Bro, that means I did right then, bro. Left front. Right front, good. You should play back with MR and Smiley them. You play on Android? No bro, on Android this bro. This a PC. Yeah, Redline role play by Lanip. Yeah. Me still let them Discord and thing, but me a long time ago on a server there, bro. They kinda lose off a role play at one point, you see me? Yes, me na one love Discord, yeah, me general. Cause I'm a G them in a over one love said way, you know? I'm a general them. Me kinda, let me say it. Me kinda, remember say the vehicles themselves, so we have the Jamaican RPs them we're out there. We have the RP server them we're out there said way. And we have to support them and support me and me and support them, you see me? Summer just go right there, so this site. This are the Voxy where I make. Well, it depends on the front of the live. Remember that. It depends on the front of the live. So this are the Voxy where I make right now. This are the GR Voxy, this are the Sport Voxy. This have paddle shift and thing. You well equipped. I don't know if you never see it in Jamaica. Those who they are Jamaica, but yeah. And then we after that we go try if we do this model here. These are the newer 2022. I think these are 2022 Voxy. I look at it. If I can join a random server. Yeah, it's been a while since I played GTA RP, you know, bro. I not to remember how the thing look. Yeah, but this are the hold on. I want to this, bro. May I try get the quality up. Yeah, so this are the 2022 GR Voxy. It's a 2022 GR Voxy. This look neat still. It back look tough. I don't like it front though, cause it look weird. Which game me I make it for GTA in general. GTA me I make this. So yeah, this are the 2022 Voxy. After we finish this one, we go to it. So this Voxy GR, I think at 2012. No, not 2012. It's 2015 then. Yo, big up yourself. Big up for the like. And big up for who that just follow? That one boy. Big up yourself, my general. Respect for the follow. Alright, we are try to find Sita. We'll look on this. So these are the these are the GR Voxy. Hold on. They're gone inside. Someone else show you. I want to see someone else. Alright, look. By the way, our game for Oxy and Melissa. Yeah. I want mod my general. It's a mod for GTA 5. Oh, watch out. You don't see what I show up on YouTube. Hold on. Yeah. So this is what we are building right now. Just realize that people on TikTok never see what I got. Yeah, so this is the Voxy where we are make right now. This is the GR Voxy. So we go build it exactly like this, and then when we drop a video, we go see how tough it is. Yeah, respect for the follow again. Unknown 511 9708. Big up yourself, my general. Yeah, so basically we go literally make a van look like this, honestly. Yo, Swiss, big up yourself, my general. Big up yourself, big time, Swiss. Yo, guys, you can go follow Swiss. Swiss, I wanna my dog them said way, you see me? The dog support the thing said way, you know? Big up him. Him have a role play server, and you can go check out Swiss you can go check out Swiss TikTok and see him role play server, and you can join it up said way. Remember One Love RP for join said way, Caribbean Life role play said way, Trini RP server, big up on yourself said way, you see me? Them and they are big time supporters. Alright, yeah, that. So I'm going to continue to do already, I know. I don't need back a chatting. Alright, so we'll go here, so what is there? Music underscore A. Yo, big up for the 3 euros said way, Giovanni, big up yourself, my G. Here's a new city of forward Swiss, yeah man, mad thing. Yeah, the body kit tough funny brother, I swear. That's why I choose to make this one over the other one. The other one did kinda alright, but it did have little bugs in the game, so I just take it through. If me go finish this tomorrow, what time now? It's 6 o'clock now. This normally like take maybe like an hour, 2 hours. Well, it take more than 2 hours to do, honestly. So we go see how fast or how far we go with it. You see me? Alright, so this is a glass alone left. Yeah, this is a glass alone left. Alright, so we'll go. This one? Yeah. We'll go music underscore B. Yeah man. So that me don't want to go on new cars, brother. So that's why me literally I jump into making it like wicked, you see me? Yeah, a GTA 5, me mainly into GTA 5 because you know GTA 5 are the big thing, you see me? And me want everybody if you can like enjoy it. Yo, alright. Honestly, to be honest, me never tell nobody, but on all of my mods them me go sell, you see me? Because this is not like a money making thing, you see me? Me they don't tell them already from day one. Me don't really like want to sell the mods. Me just did want them for myself. But then me see people are reach out and them want the mods to buy. I'm say alright, here I go. Me go sell them. And me just go give them some price and sell them. But other day me I pray it and me I say, yo, this is not no money making thing, brother. We just want live as one, brother. Me have a talent. Me just go use the talent and just put it out there, you see me? And me just hope people just see this, you see me, and we can just get big. You see me? So that is just one I think them me I pray, you see me? And all of them me go sell, some me go sell because they know them very expensive. Let me show you where me get some of them from. Oh, hold on, I'm signing, hold on. No, I'm not signing, yeah. So this is the site where we get most of the mods them from. I'm not signing right now for showing it, say they cost them like crazy. I'm not signing for showing how much car I buy said way, you see me? So most of the cars that we can get like from like sites out there like like them site we have like San Andreas and them something there. Like San Andreas mods and them something there, brother, cause like this you know, we can go here so and we see like whole heap of cars, and we can like take them and convert them in a like maybe like 4 or 5 days. You see me? So like them a car now, brother, we don't sell them a car, you see me? Because our is a next man work. And me just put in the time for just put it in a GTA. Chris Tyler Forbes. If I remember you from the video that I commented first on. I don't remember you know, bro, but me go look for, or when me look for, me go reply at night, you see me? But big up yourself, respect for jump on the live said, you see me? Bill a coaster or a SpongeBob. The SpongeBob thing, you know, my dog, forgive me said, you know, I'll show you my dog thing. My dog, if send it SpongeBob come give me. If my RP, you know, me use the RP, I'm gonna RP again like that. You see me? Oh, hold on. Carry. The my dog have the SpongeBob. Or the Kingfish. Them have it, but I think the dog them showcase it. And the dog them have a Voxy already, but I feel them think that, bro. You see me? I don't remember when me go see it, bro. I go see it somewhere, brother. I don't remember when me see it, but I don't want to have it. You see me? Yeah, man. No, right away, my general. We say use fivem, shut down, use fivem. No right now. In a Migline live, we go jump on a fivem, sir. We might jump on Red Line or one of them Jamaican one. I think Caribbean Life. We can jump on Caribbean Life, one of them. I don't have done I carry them though, but I have to link the dog and tell the dog say I jump on the server and thing. So the dog can line up. You see me? Alright, so I continue to do this. Alright, hold on. So we need to undo that. Merge by distance. I don't have to pay, man. I broke. What you mean I don't have to pay? What I talk about? Yo, every night I go live. Bro, it kinda depend on my mood still, you know. Cause sometimes I just feel to go up on the game and just more I just feel to turn on the computer and you know you turn on the computer and your vibe just broke. So you just turn off your back. Yeah, most of the nights them are me that. Windscreen underscore. Alright, so we get that. So that are the back glass. So we have this bomba. Oh, so we have to do this. Alright, so here are gone. This done. Alright, good. So we go remove everything around it. So I'm gonna remove everything around it. Caribbean RP server, but yeah, I know, man. I know, so them thing tough. You see me? Them have little vibes over there. And all that. Alright, where's that? Only thing, this is one window. Can estimate it. Can we estimate that? I believe we can estimate that. I'm try to get the body. Where your body there? What a wheel. What a wheel body. Where your body there? Outside. No, that a part of your body, but on your body itself. Oh, see it. Alright, so your glass go off a little bit. Jesus. Alright, so I guess we go have to stretch this out. I guess we have to stretch this out, come out as a little bit after. But hold on, we go. I'll check something, you see me? Let me just rename this. Alright, so we'll take off this. Take out that part off, right? And see what this part I do. Oh, this still too long. Alright, so we're going to do, we have to knife it. We're going to knife it both right, so you see me? So, okay. I cut it right, so. Alright, cut it right, so. So unhide that. Hey, what this I do, man? Hey, yeah, I do, man. Let's uncheck this. So yeah, man, GTA 5 and of a PC only. Roleplay and fivem of a PC alone, isn't me? Krista. Yeah, I'm Chris Tyler. Big up yourself, brother. Thanks for jumping on the live side, isn't me? Yeah, man. I go build the front glass so you can tint off, said, isn't me? Alright, so we'll hide that. Mercy what I look like, I know. See that boy? Mad. Window good now. But see hang down there, so but he hang down over here, so. Hang down here, so alright, we not focus on that yet. Alright, so we got the back glass. So we'll go to music_C. Let's hide that. Highlighter, so I go for a knife, I saw again. Cut that enter by selection. Music_D. Yeah, brother, if you don't know ABC, you stuck yourself, brother. Yeah, just go and like up your live and share up your live, said we, you see me? A big respect for the support and thing, said we, you know? Alright, so the my window is supposed to go there now. So we have window underscore all that left rear. So and then this one I know I'll go window underscore right rear. Boom. Oh, you mean like tint it halfway? Oh. Yeah, that go rough. It can do, you know, but it go take some expertise off of that. Hold on. It sound like my mic turn up too much, bro. My mic. Me a listen back to you live and it sound like me a shout, brother. Hold on. swear, bro. Fivem or fivem or whatever that is. Yeah, man, the mic turn up too much, brother. I don't know. Tell you why someone come here and shout so that. Alright. Alright, see it now. Oh man, it might not good, brother. It might it might turn up too much, brother. It sound like a bit of deaf. Alright, so we have this, we can take out this. See it, take out the window them. Alright, so window them out. Where next? Where next? Where next? What is? What is dog? Yeah, man. Hey, hey. No, alright. We have a grow night. Should we grow night trunk? Trunk like you go rough right now for work, man. Alright, what take off? What do this? Let me see. Alright, go split up your bonnet. So boom. Off. Bonnet there. So now, boom. Finish. A distance. Boom. Like I know. And this part are connected to the bonnet side here? Or is it not connected? And roof rack. Yeah. So, man, this is a regular Voxy, brother. Or Sita. So that middle piece there, the middle piece is supposed to connect to the bonnet side there. So we'll go. That off. We'll go. And then we'll hide that. I'm mad. Alright, so I'm gonna take off the bumper, you know. Bumper. Come off back door. That on safe, not left. Alright, that's so. Hold on, no, we're not ready for the back door. Should you're already there on the back door, so I'm just do the and then. Move that. So go so boom. Get that. I'll go back bumper, you know. Take off that. Boom. I say no, make it have sunroof. Sunroof look better. Me G. Go do that. Legendary. Big up yourself, my general. Do you think? Alright, I'll try not to monitor the YouTube chat. Alright, so we have to cut out sunroof backside. Alright, so we'll cut out the top. I'll go there, so. None of that we select color. Oh, bumper. We have to like literally like cut out. This not even straight enough. So we have to like knife it. We have to like knife it. Oh yeah, so yeah, this not straight. Knife it like this. Knife it so. Oh, this not straight either. Oh, it's sunroof normally there. Fully river. Oh, river, big up yourself, my general. Welcome to the live, dog. What? I'm gonna try Voxy GR. Sunroof. How far forward is sunroof always there? Hold on. Now I forgot Voxy GR. Try out a Voxy sunroof. Need a aerial view. Need a view of it. Alright, I'm not see how far forward he is today, but me me go mark it out for myself. Yeah man, respect me G. Alright, oh knife it yeah so. If it don't look good, we just undo already, you see me? That square look good. Boom. Enter. Then go delete. This kinda look away. Hold on. It look like it now go. Alright, so since you have a knife, that's a zine. I'll go so. I'll try delete these. When the God always have to work in my G. Hard work have to pay off. Sunroof always line up to the front door. Oh. So which part always line up to the front door? Cause see front door like right I say you know. Yo, respect for that my general. I would attack. You say square too big. Let me see. But sunroof not normally like big man. You can fit one whole somebody through it, bro. Alright, we'll try this again. So line up to the front door the bow right so no so. Front door the bow right so. Just pull back the back part. Alright. We'll do a smaller. smaller one. Knife it there so. Knife it there so. I said this look more reasonable like a sunroof thing, no? A little more reasonable? Tell me. Benz one's big. Brother, but the Voxy one not big too, man. Max, welcome to the live. Sun in the middle. Is in the middle there. Hold on, alright, hold on. The sunroof, alright. I know most car come with the sunroof up at the front, you see me? And some come with it down here, so. Which part which part of the Voxy there? Only driver forget sun. Sun and moon roof. They love Taji. Big up yourself, my general. Welcome to the live. So I just hold on, me I look both. Yo, me I look both pa YouTube and TikTok for clarification. If you're there so or the middle. Because I can't find none pa Google. So Shaq, big up for the follow, my general. Welcome to the channel. Or welcome to the TikTok. See me. Sita and I make Lena, but one up a front to me G. You want them with it in a middle, one up the up a front too. I know something that always up at the front. See that? The one in a middle and one up at the front also, but this one kinda smaller than the back one also. So this supposed to like smaller. Yeah, two sunroof me I see. Shaq, big up yourself again. The old one have one in the front. Fire too cool, a two sunroof. Yeah, two sunroof me I see right that's so bro. But this side would have to like eliminate this. That means that one would have to come like right that's so too, you see me? Right, hold on, me remove that one here and see. Me remove that one here and see what it look like. Alright. So it look like this right now. And one thing there right so I don't know exactly which part. But this one. Another one. Let me finish this then. Yeah, it's two sunroof me I see to me G. Middle and the front, yeah. That me see too. So this is what it looks like now. Hold on. May I try get off like the trimmings off it. I try make it neat as possible. But like the corner them also, you see that? Corner them, you like me have to go. You like me have to go something there for the corner them. See there. Come on. And look so. me had 3 points right there, so you see me? Me try pray which one for delete. Yo, when I point them did you know, bro, but you just now give me the right thing. And if me can knife it as and get something. No, me can't knife it so. Knife it go so. Ah, see it there. Alright. So this is how I look like right now, you see me? But you look lean and freak, watch out. Ah, dog. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna do me just go wide neat a little bit. One thing. They say better make one stay. It too we look mad same way, you know. What do you think? What do you think about it too? It too we look mad same way, you know. I just go down here so and just take out this a piece here. Where you see them here? But I take out right here so. The only thing this does lean right now, so I just have to trim off over here so and just make it even. Can make it uneven. You say why in the on the right, the left? Yeah, right, alright. Bombard. If we turn around the car right side, so over here someone go over a little bit. Alright, so hold on, sorry about that. So we are go jump over here so and just see where they go on. Alright, so I pre this I know. Go knife boy, yes, not true. I'm certain anything now, bro. Like it thing look so wonky in a place. Certain that. It don't look straight. That knife, but I look on it, right? Check it out. Boom. Yes. Try to see. Alright, you know look bad. It wide, but you know look three bad or anything. Yo dog, you look lean and freak. You look lean, you know. You like you lean and fat. It's a bill few yang. Eh, that's a problem, the yang part. But we try a thing. See me, we try a thing. Nothing try, nothing done there always say, you see me? It's a TV in the back and thing, yeah man. This a go mad man. Alright, that good. So what we're gonna do, we'll try cut out the second piece. But give me a quick second. I go shot. My shot go do something now forward. So I just go have the music running in the background and thing. And I'll be right back. Just give me a quick second. Alright, we're there again. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. We're gone for so long, brother. Alright, we're there. Alright, let's see what going on now. Think, watch out. All the music stop, bro. Alright, today again. So, big up to everybody. We're there again. Let's see what's going on. Where were we? Oh no, yeah, me good, man, me good. Sorry about that. Alright, so we were getting this thing on. Is the music not playing still? Not playing. Alright, get a quick refresh for that. Yo, why YouTube always do something like this? Like forget the music not playing. Like to start the music and ask if you're still watching. Bro, of course we're still watching. Yeah, weird ass question that you come asking. This mute. Alright, yeah, we're there again. Alright. So we did right. I saw the this thing right here. Then oh yeah, let's see. So big up to everybody who's still there. And sorry for the long wait and thing. Zine? Alright, so we are going right here, so hide that a part of this we used to hide a selection word. So we are gonna go wing underscore left front. Yeah, left front. Hide. I go here so hide that and see what I go on here so I go to wing underscore right front. Right. Most of all of this now I would have liked the body. Most of this I would have liked the body and thing. I try to get my phone, I try to get my devices up so I can monitor. One. So we have a gas tank. I wonder if we feel like make a gas tank like open able. Like make a gas tank can open and thing or anything. Sideways, big up yourself, my general. Sideways RP. Big up my guy. Yeah, you know me from well, he's still here. You know me from Red Line, bro. You know me from Red Line, my guy. Let's get back our devices and on. Alright, so where were we? Let's see. But let's try to get back everything together. Alright. Back in our place. Yeah, just ensuring that everything is for some more something there. Sideways. Yeah, trying to get back everything on. So we have this and this. Alright, so respect again for all the gifters on TikTok. Persons who are following on YouTube. Big up CMA. Don't know. We always where we rate the support. Respect on a big time, you see me? Alright, so we have this part, resuming on the door, so you know. Alright, so we have that. Alright, so that is the front door. So outside. Let's go on share up live said we. On share up live said we, drop a like said we if you're new. We're gonna set a live goal, hold on. We don't want gifts, bro. Let's go. Go for 100. Go for 100 followers. Goal of it. Hold on. So TikTok weird. Introduce. Oh, this. Goal of it something there, bro. Goal of it, oh, this is crazy. Boom. Alright. So did we rename this now? So door underscore no. So a driver, no, this is a passenger. So P side underscore door underscore front. Need to get back the live. Alright, so let's go here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so you see them little thing, alright, as I said, we not have to like get them same way, because look at that. Look at that, you not have to get them. Or else the car go like weird. You'll know. You'll see it on the car when it's like missing, you see me? Is oh shit, this not done. Just remember that we have like up at the top. We have like up at the top for the this have, so let's hide this. Then we'll go up. I'll go up top. Up top. This hide. Oh, and this is the part I do it too. I look saying. We'll see when we add the we will see when we add this something to it. When we add the colors and stuff to it. So two P side, passenger side door, underscore rear. Right, then that. Voila, it's a wrong thing, right? Rear. Alright, so the part I know. That side, good. This now, it's now rename D side. That's driver side underscore door underscore front. left, L, hide, this, hide. Well, the door now gonna like open out to go slide back. Guess we don't really need to like take off these. So this is D side, driver side door, underscore rear. Alright. So that good. So everything else I know with a name chassis. No body shell. Everything else with a body shell. Yo, Delana, we big up yourself, my general, and thanks to the like, you see me? Thanks for liking the live. Right. Soon cut out the top again, maybe not, maybe we cut out the top, maybe not. Alright, so let's see here. So this guy name body shell. We can hide that for now. What's next? Rear wiper. One name boot, because we're going to join them soon. This is the pan. Bumper, front bumper. A bumper underscore front. So this on the boot. The rims, them are light, you know. Hey, alright, so let's see this. Let's see if no, well, look if no bulb in them or something. Alright, I'm soon deal with this. No bulb, none of that. And deal with that. I'll try to deal with the body first, and then after we deal with the body, we can go bodies. He's going at the bumpers. So we can go by distance, drop to 0 upon that. F, boom. So this I go extra light underscore 1, add, and this I go extra light underscore 2. These are lights. These are like the frames. These are like the glass them. I glass them this, you see me? Alright, so that's how we need that now. I just have like a door and then something there, you see me? see what we merge by distance. Drop some zeros on this. Does it look like inside? No mess up, right? Yeah, so yeah, so now we would have to cut out yeah, so for the sunroof said we. Alright, so let's see. There we go. Left. There we go. This are like a bumper reinforcement, you see me? Front bumper. There we go. Bumper underscore front. Wonder if like a vertices like too much things depend. So there we go. Let's merge by distance also. Looks smudge up though. No look smudge up. Smudge up. Look alright. Guess it's okay. Where is it? Boss has so much something there right as a fam. That part are gonna be more technical part. This. We need these. If we can get inside closer. Alright, so we are closer. Data now. Data. The roof. This is all chassis, so that's fine. Need to get this. Need to get like this off. Selecting. Wonder if I could do that. Off by our era. What do you do with them? Where do you do with them? So let's get the doors. Get the panel 11 for you door. That. The seats. Or should we get this? Alright, hold on, we're gonna get the seat then. we just gonna do it piece by piece, you know. We'll take out the seat then. Bags. Alright, let's see. Alright, so we're trying to get the seat them out now. Just try to make sure so we get all of these. You know, get everything madness. Can't miss not one thing. Oh, just cut out something or no cut out. Oh, that will get cut out. And something click on this and yeah, that really do. Do that. I'll make sure it's on. That one, that one. You know, if you make this like more user friendly, where you can move around, you can move around properly in it. You see me? Alright, let's see. What else should we take out of this chassis? On here. This? Yeah. It come like a find where I play find hide and seek or whatever. On this. There we go. I'll try to find all of the small pieces. Welcome again to the live, everybody. Took a break and I believe the break was too long. Alright, so I guess we get all the seat out now. Loud hope. So boom. We'll go. Yes. We'll go seats now. Get the steering wheel off now. Hold on, so this now no emblem. Alright, so we have to get an emblem. We have to get a Toyota emblem put on that. Get off the wall steering. Yeah, so honestly said it's like very tedious. It's a very tedious process to build a car. You have to have a whole heap of patience, bro. Thanks again for liking out the live on both YouTube and on TikTok. We love it, we love it, love it. What you call it? We love it support. So make sure so. We don't need these. Or nothing. Nothing we need these. Nothing we need these. we shift them. We just needed like the steering wheel. Hold on. I have to do it again. Just like a steering wheel, we don't need like an indicator them or anything. I'm just sitting there for not sitting there for if you get like these off. I needed for the steering wheel for me. So we just need like the whole frame of the steering wheel right or so. Okay. There we all go. Steering wheel. Alright, boom. When we go for texturize it now, we know that everything will be okay. Alright, so we need to get the doors off now. So I started that one there. We need the frame also. Frame also. Bring up on the outside and see what it look like. Let's see what we have. I think we have everything. Oh no, we don't have everything, see. Yeah, you have to be very keen to detail on this, bro. Peace again. And just like jump to the thing. Oh. So we have to select this. One, two, three, and four. Right, yeah. Go. Yes. Door. No. D side. Driver side underscore door. Underscore. Alright. Front. Yeah. So let's hide that. Alright, so that's the driver side door. That's a driver door. Entrance door there, so. Alright, get this on. What that Luffy? Is that Luffy from One Piece? Pick up yourself, my G. Let's hide this. That. Need this. Go to say no. We need this. No, this is not part of the door. This is like part of the inside. Right. I'm just boosting. Me literally I check out Literally I check out the vehicle over here. I see the vehicle, I said, where did I look on it? Where did I look on like the sunroof part? Remove off of that. That's part I do it to do. Sliders. Like that. Alright, so we can go. So we'll go this side. Underscore door. Underscore rear. Yeah, so go ahead and like out the live if you're new to the channel. You can subscribe on YouTube, follow on TikTok. You see me? We haven't posted any video on YouTube yet. Well, for a while now. In like from Monday or Tuesday? Or Tuesday, I think a Tuesday because today is Wednesday. So from Monday. From Monday no video no post, you see me? So you can just go and watch back the YouTube videos them from the past if you're new. TikTok, we have a whole heap of video on TikTok, same way. You can just go, like, follow, comment on the video them, same way. And just share a whole heap of love, you see me? Alright, so we got them the door, we got them the two door, they will soon jump on the back here, so. And then we go have to cut out the sunroof. We'll cut out the sunroof to match the not the chassis, the body shell. We have a cut out right that's off the match so we can see down in the car. Yeah, but let's do what we're doing right now for now. Alright, so we have to go up on this back door here, so. Where I try to select everything. Yo, bad boy, respect for the follow, my G. Big up yourself and welcome to the family, my G. All heap of love, my G. Yeah, big up yourself again, my G. Alright, let's see what they are at. So. Oh, so them apart. So really not add them apart, I do up on the door them. Crazy fam. Alright, so there I saw go on. So let's see here. How long it take to make a car like this? Since this car is like very detailed, it take couple days. Maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. But if me dey on like full grind mode, well, why for the grind thing? But yeah, if we're on full auto right now, brother, it will take like maybe like couple days, maybe like 2, 3, 4 days. You see me? So P side underscore door underscore. It just depends on the mood or anything, you see me? Cause you know sometimes you jump on the PC, brother, you know, and do nothing. You just want to come on and play some game. Yeah. Yeah. That's one of them one day. So it just depends on the mood. Cause this kind of very time consuming said way. If it drain, brother, you're not gonna want to jump on this because you're not gonna really they think. You're not gonna really they think too properly, you see me? Guess we should take this off. 1988 trending gal. Big up yourself. Welcome to the live. How you doing? Back door. Hold on. We're just hold on. Wait. We undo something else. So. Let me just add. Let me just. Them then off add pan it. We have the front door right now, so if I mean make the crown on the video, no. The only thing no, I don't make it crown. The crown was made by somebody else, but I just did some modifications to it. Door east side. Oh shit, done. Side underscore door underscore front. Alright, so that we done. We get all of the doors. So we try work on the trunk, you know, because this is going to be this is like the most tedious part of it. This is why I don't really like make hatchback cars, because most of them have like everything joined together. Cause you see like right here, so I try to take off the trunk, but everything else are just select, you see me? Right, so let's get these off. Boom. We cut that. So I just so we have to go cut it off, bro. Can't do nothing else about it. So this is like the most time consuming part of it. This is why I don't like doing it. Easily this can like break your vibe, brother. Imagine I do this for like maybe say 15 minutes. And then when you're ready to move on, one mistake in it, so you just have to start all over from scratch. They love Tajay. Oh, yo, big up yourself, brother. Respect for forward back. You already gone for a while too, bro. So it look like most of everybody knows sorry forward back. Me. Forward back. Yeah. Yo, me hate when the music like that me hate, yo, YouTube for. So yeah, so we are play straight from YouTube. The music is from, or copyright music is from Beats Provider. You know, them provide good music. You see me? Oh, me in a Jamaica, yeah man, me a Jamaican bro. Let's say I'm the only Jamaican that does this, cause, cause most of the Jamaican them we do most of the things them like reside overseas. Now the only Jamaican in a Jamaica we do things like this. Welcome to the live again, everybody. We are on a roll. Welcome to the people. Yo, people on TikTok say hi to the people on YouTube and YouTube. People them from YouTube say hi to the people them from TikTok. Now Kingston, no bro. No bro. Maybe where I come from fam. That's very hard. Yo, people on YouTube. Dogs on YouTube say, oh, that hard to say hi to people on TikTok. No, bro, it's just the normal thing, isn't it? Yeah, my voice sounds squeaky, brother. Ah. Yeah, man. Big up to everybody on the YouTube side. Said way, you know. My name on YouTube is the same. Is the same handle on all platforms. YouTube, Steam. Well, me used to dep on Twitch. Used to dep on Twitch, but Twitch not really like did do most do whole heap of thing for me. You see me? So I just the same handle all cross all platforms. YouTube, um, TikTok, Twitch, Steam, my game there, my play, everything is just Aburntnuggett. If you want to find me, it's just Aburntnuggett. You see me? Nothing else. Alright, so we kinda get most of the trunk off. But I beat a mother blow jukes. So we can get some volume on it. Oh. The car where me I make hard. Yeah, it very me not got yo. Let me not say that making it is hard. Because once you know what you do, bro, it not go really hard. You get what I say? I just like let me give you an example. I just like riding a bicycle, brother. You see me? And then you know if you ride a bicycle, bro. You go say yo if you ride a bicycle hard. When you actually learn to ride a bicycle, brother, it go say a easy thing. You see me? Easy like cheese. But once I just when you don't know how to do it, it just seem hard. Cause it's not hard. It's not hard at all, bro. It's just very time consuming. That's all. Take up a whole lot of time. So you have to dedicate a whole heap of time into this. Ah, I don't lie, bro. I truth, man. So one of them live, yeah, we go see if we can run a GTA 5 video. Maybe tomorrow when we come off at the slave tomorrow. We see what we can do. We might continue this live tomorrow. Um like it depends on where we are in the live. We will continue it tomorrow. Cause I don't really want like come tomorrow for the live. They do this same thing again. You see me? More when we forward for the live tomorrow, we day. Like almost to put it in a GTA, you see me? Me go do a live when me I do a live when me I do like how me post the videos on TikTok, you see me? And how we export it and thing. Go try be more interactive with you guys, you see me? That's what we all about, you know? Mm. Or you extract car in a game, or you mean? You say if me sell these, um, not all the mods are sell, not all of them. Well, what I have now, I sell what I have now. But as I was saying at the starting of the live, when everybody else was on, um, I am planning to make some of these mods free because, bro, and everything you have to sell. You get what I say, bro? You do good for people and good we come to you, see me? Oh, yeah. Well, I know this a GTA alone, you know, bro. And this a GTA alone different, you see me? All I GTA them, you have to build a car them. Cause once you want like a real car in a GTA, you have to go make it. A GTA not have the license to actually do it, then we get like sued. You get what I say? They will get sued by the car company. So we know we have to just do it for ourselves. So we love the game, so just do it for yourself, you see me? Alright, so that I trunk myself that I trunk. I have something up here, sorry, I don't want in it. Them up here, something. I don't want them up here, so, you know. Yeah, so all I mods them where you say extract into your GTA as somebody it's like how me sit down right outside of this as somebody well spent time. Somebody sit down hours making them car there, you see me? Just so we can enjoy the gameplay of GTA. And GTA, nah lie, GTA a good game, brother. And GTA we fi spend time on GTA. If me choose between GTA and life, I'd choose GTA. Honestly. So it might sound stupid, but yeah. Let's hide that. Alright, so I guess the trunk. Guess we fully get the trunk, you know. Me not play GTRP, yeah man. Me play GTRP. Well, I don't play it anymore. GTRP used to play like last year? No, year before. The year before. I used to play GTRP the year before last year. 2020 year before last year or what? 2021? Early, yeah. So 2021 me used to play GTRP enough. Me can hold on, me go do something, me go show you something on the live. I'll show you me used to play GTRP with my PC did like crappy brother. I'll show you, give me a second. Me find it. I'll find it. That's if me can find it on this PC. Yeah, um I wonder which one I channel them have it. Me a quick want a quick second. So we are signing on a channel and see if that channel. Yes. Right. You can't make no see me signing thing. I feel be very what you call it? I feel be very use a mix of. Come on, bro. I try to change my password because me don't remember it. Shit. Jesus. What? Oh. Alright, good. No lock screen detected. Continue to YouTube. Alright. Bro, what the hell? That is a channel I have this. Ah man, I had this one, bro. Hold on. That's no channel. Hold on, I'm gonna check my phone, hold on. As a channel upon. Oh, you forward on the YouTube side, bro. Big up yourself, my general. Big up yourself. Also, you did over TikTok. Alright, big up yourself. Well, if I respect. Alright, so let's see. Let's see here. May I try to find a channel? It's called Bomba Javedi. Oh, alright, me find it. Me find out which channel now. So let me sign in and show them. Yo, big up to all of the gifters from TikTok same way. Big up to all of the people who follow up on TikTok same way. Big up to the subscribers from YouTube, the people who liking out the live on YouTube. Said you see me? What heap of love. Trying to remember my password right now. Alright, let's cut this. Yeah man, CM Summer G. We're signing on the channel. Alright, signed it. I'll go on and say no. You're not watching. Game shot because I don't know. Well, bro, me used to go, honestly, not tell no lie, me used to go game shop to back in my days, you see me? But we just, what did I say? Me just say name make no sense, you see me? See, instead of go a game shop, bro, see, each of the money there where you go spend a game shop, bro, you take it and save it. And by the time, you must have money for like get a PC, you see me? Honestly. Alright, so, hold on. I don't think me do a while ago. Alright, so this is one of the video that when me did the this is one of the video that when me did the red line role play, you see me? They really make like whole heap still. Somebody said them are 62 subscriber, you see me? We are like 95, they are like 95 subscribers, they say, you see me? This is brother, I did after they do pre-recorded videos, cause as soon as I go do live, brother, the game would have like, the game would have, I don't know what I said, what would I say the game would have do. Would have like glitch out and something. This is how my PC did shitty, brother. Like, swear. It's like the first time red line. I'm still in a red line still, you know. But they kinda get banned for as on you did the mess around me. I call them me diss him up, brother, so they need ban me. But them accept me back and thing from 2021 before them release the new version. And me jump on it once or twice and me just say me not do it again. Well known in our city and thing because I'm the only Jamaican that was in the city at the time. You see me? See that, watch your brother. I play and queer. Be a glitch and thing, brother. I not know which graphic mod me did have. I not remember which graphic mod me did have. I did have a graphic mod, but I don't remember which one. You know, man? Hey, mama, bro. Yeah. I don't play the audio because I don't know if it's copyrighted or not. I don't really want to stream and get copyrighted because we are streaming for almost 3 hours now. Yeah, so in this now I did what you call it? What you call this? Blows fire, a news reporter, you see me? See it again, see most of the video them. This is our next RP server me going go be a news reporter. This is most of the live them. The most I live them. Brother, I live them did shitty as frick, brother, because honestly, Mac Brown the Jamaican is back. Mac Brown is back, but as a Jamaican gangster. That I did, be a copyright for the video them, brother, back in that time. You see me? That is crazy. FIFA. Remember the first time, you know, brother, when I start stream, brother. When what date upon this? 2021, yeah. So 2021 when I was trying to be a gamer. I would say thank God for yo look at blow it's fine. Look at the thumbnail. Lord play. Who's a bit thumbnail and name bad, brother? Another pad. Ready? Who's a bit thumbnail and name bad? Or pull up here. Watch out. Man! You know, because I watch other YouTubers that play red light. Yeah, bro. Oh, this a while ago. Yeah, brother, see me thumbnail, brother. Thumbnail. What's that? What's that, brother? Yo! And graphics did shitty. Yeah, brother, them days of graphics did shitty, brother. Watch out. Yeah, miss. They play brawler. We still play brawler up till this day, brother. Look at the thumbnail, brother. Here's how much for a PC? A budget PC you can get now is roughly around. How would I say? Roughly around. Maybe if you have 80 grand, you can get a good PC to play some game. You see, if me know Ilan, yeah man. That same episode, no, another episode. One episode we did sell something I sell some things and I'm gonna go down there go sell some things. I don't remember which one though, but yeah. No, maybe one day if we mind tell if we jump back on the server we will. Maybe not, you see me? Alright, so we're there now. So interior look good. This what if we name this chassis? So if we name chassis. We might pause. Let's save this. Oh, so we have some surprises for y'all. But I'm gonna say what it is though. The XY. So let's save this now, cause we might just go play some game down the line. So we're just save this now. Yeah. Might just end the live by playing on GTA 5 with a play online server. Them I say play GTA 5 with. I wonder if I add the stripper, brother. What delete them? No, never. What this? Oh, watch out. So we go have to cut out. Yeah, only person we have to cut out, bro. So this would I go up on the chassis, So let's name it chassis. Chassis. Still not, yo, bro. We're deleting these. We don't want them. Alright, so that there. Where if we put this one? Should we put it on the body shell or on the chassis? Or it should go on the body shell. Oh, chassis, if we go up on it now. Bro. That's what it is. Alright, all this. Nick Boss, big up yourself, my general. Thank you for staying on the live. Yeah, me don't have school. We go try do a weekend stream. Is it? We go try do a weekend stream for everybody, is it me? So thanks again for dropping in. Big up yourself. Wheel. What is this bumper is up and down. Oh. Bumper upon this. On the boot. The trunk. Don't deal with that. Up on the trunk too. Okay. Just go up on the bumper. Front bumper. The bumper front. If I pull up back Google with this as Voxy GR front bumper. racing. I wonder if like it depend on the front bumper. T22 GR Sport. Or jump on a site. Cars, auto parts. Toyota. It's on the Hobo. Speedometer. You look on them price of the car parts, brother. My badge, mad. $8 for your badge though. Smell like shit. Oh, $58. $58 on my ass, man. Bumper. Oh, we have to go down to detail. Bumper. They have the bumper. Welcome again to everybody to the live. I see HR, they not have no bumper. Alright, here we go. Cincy, Cincy look alright to it, we go add it to it. So let's add it to it. These are lights. Door free. How did this go? Underscore. No, this side. This side. DE underscore door underscore free. And that. We'll go inside this, that, route 4 next, and that light. We'll touch on those, and next time delete this, no need this. Light, what is the next light? This is Gazoo Racing badge. Alright, next Gazoo Racing. I'll go up some more. Gazoo. Alright, so all of these are Gazoo Racing badges. Bumper. Bumper underscore front. Might do them. License plate. We'll get them if we do them. Merge by distance. Up some zeros on them. To left door, that door underscore east side underscore door underscore front. That, and then this go east side underscore door underscore front. What number them there be? Wow, glass them there. Them not go on the bumper, them they are light. Wow. Alright, what is now? Alright, this have one. This yo, them has something have a whole heap of vertices, you know, brother. Jesus. Glass. More market. Need for market. Like. Alright, yeah, so the van almost done. So I guess tomorrow's live we can like finish it up. So let's just do this a piece. Oh, take one of them 0. Alright, so most of these things are mostly like boot. We gotta do the trunk first. We just always have with this one. Aligning out of the door. And should these be removed? I don't think so. Them are not supposed to move. Rather than the thing here and the thing here. This. And then like them something right or so. There we go. East side underscore door underscore front head. Get these. Underscore. Then what do we categorize this? Let's see what this. So not no there, so we'll go. Let's see. Yo, chassis have whole heap still already, you know. Alright, so let's start joining now. This is a body shell. See? Let's go, yeah, so we'll save. Again, ensure you like the live if you're new to the channel. Subscribe. Share it, you can share the live again as a with a friend. And you can also comment. Yeah, comment. Just comment. I don't remember what I was going to say, but just comment. We're joining these. Control J. Rename this to body shell. The body shell is there. On it is there. Boot now. Let's get all the boots up. There we go. I'll go for this first and then everything else. Good. Join. To join. To, yeah, whatever. What the hell? How them come from, Panny? Yeah, we can cut them out still, but when them come, Panny? So I guess we need more reinforcements on the boot. So front bumper. Let's click first 1, 2, 3, 4. Join. There you go. Rear bumper. Chassis. Just you see it? Yo, the chassis just big, brother. Chassis just big. Right, so we'll go front top. Whoa, there you are, boy. Hold your horses, man. Enjoy. Oh, Jesus. Oh, so we never. Alright, so we have these to take off then. We have them something else to take off for the door them. The door front. Let's join that. Or here. Up on front. Join that. Front. Join that. We're just joining up what should join now. Passenger side. 3, 4. Good. Rear. Rear. Nine. Seat steering wheel. Alright, so let's see what we have already. Moving these. Alright, so this is what we have already for the vehicle. It don't look bad. It don't look bad. It don't look bad. It's getting there. It's getting there. So if we take off the doors, and go door. Got this extra light thing. Door. Off the door them. Bonnet is considered a door too. Door. Okay. So we have this to deal with tomorrow, as I say. I think it's the chassis, no? So it's within the chassis, so we have this to deal with tomorrow. Yeah, so we have them that thing, so I guess the running part on the door has a need to go on back to. Alright, so that for now. Alright, go try there now. It's been a while since I played fivem. Let's see if we can play no game. See if we can play no GTA. And what time I go live tomorrow? As soon as I reach home from work, bro. Leave work 5 o'clock every day. So as soon as I reach home from work, I will definitely try. I not too want like jump. Not too want like jump straight into streaming, because you don't know, say we have family and thing for attend to, you see me? So we don't really want to jump straight into streaming. Alright, let's see which Discord server we should join. Oh, let me pull up Discord at the moment. I can't see it on my Discord. Hold on. go. boosting. Alright, so we are waiting on all of these to load, and then we will definitely be in in the um, in the city. Am I hearing about myself somehow? Am I echoing or something? Yeah, this is taking a while. We'll just wait on it to load. I guess it won't load up. It won't take no longer time. We'll load after that. So Mary just make it go and load. What kind of error this I know for? When me a talk, you come like a fan of blue here, bro. The fan kinda hot. What kind of copywriting this man them want come through for me, bro? So they are 320 out of 320. Not bad. Yeah, we definitely go stream tomorrow, you know. Definitely. Alright, I'm gonna go get some juice. But this will take long for download, so. There again. This a creep, brother. So they must have on the Discord. You know. Alright, so we're waiting on this to download before we can even move forward. Music did load, man. We're still at 320. That. How big is this? Oh, bro, we can't sit down and wait on this. Or try again. Jesus. Guess we just have to go do this in a day live tomorrow. We have everything. We have everything. I think. Yeah, we can do that because most people going in bed now because it's like school time, isn't it? So here I'll go on. So um thank you again for watching this live. We have so they think they're moving there on though, yeah bro. Yeah, so thanks again for watching this live, bro. We are literally going to we go load up after this live because we know we live kinda interfere with the download because we are using up a whole lot of internet. As we are stream on TikTok, on YouTube, we play music from YouTube, we are the whole heap. So just go download this off stream and go in, set up my character, interact with some people. Then tomorrow we just go jump on it, the RP thing, and just see what we can do. You see me? So thanks again for watching on both platforms, TikTok, YouTube. For subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, thanks to the gifters, thanks to the followers, thanks to the commenters, thanks to everybody who made this stream what it was. And yeah, so thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one.